So, I just set this up right now. It is at the fullest height, which is about my height, or a little bit bigger. Let's see, yep, about my height. Leans a little bit downward, but it's okay. So, where I usually record, my chair's in the way, hold on. Down, Bubba. Good boy. So, alright, chair's out of the way. So, I did an earlier video, I haven't loaded it up yet. The thing that I saw looked like an ant or something weird, or something like that, or a spider. I killed it. I'm thinking, I'm not 100% sure, but I'm pretty sure it's dead. So, it went back onto my bed a second time. I moved my cover around, it ran down, fell down next to my bed. I punched the floor until I figured it was dead. But, long story short, so, friend asked me to do, show off my magic cards again, but, I don't know, it's a little bit hard to show off my decks, because, well, this one here is a little bit hard because I have all these cards, so it's a little hard to show off my decks. So, I am doing whatever I can. There's some videos that I want to load up, but my parents are like, don't do it. So I can't show you those. I'm going to adjust this so it doesn't look right. Yeah, from your angle, this looks correct. From my angle, it looks totally wrong. But, so they tell me not to do it. Like, I can't get my mom, she doesn't like being recorded at all. My dad, when he does other things, he doesn't like being recorded. He's like, so, can't get my parents that much. When I do, I do. So, like, that State Fair one, how I went like this, and over, that's because my mom was there, and she doesn't want me to get her, so I don't. I respect it. Respect people that way. So, I got this for my nephew, even though he has one, and it would be cool. But I could put like vodka or pop in here and just go like I'm squirting it type deal. But yeah. So I don't know, I just wanted to record real quick. I don't know what to really say. Oh, I got something to show you. Be right back. Okay, so I got a notepad. So I'm going to write down all my thoughts and all my things because I'm just a little bit like overstressed about things I can't talk about. So I'm going to write them down. Could do it on computer, but it's so boring. And this one I can just tear them out if I don't like them. So yeah. So my friend got me hooked up to Pot Farm. It's a little bit, it's annoying because now I'm obsessed about it, like I've told you about before. I'm trying to get to level 27, I'm at level 26, just to open up and expand my area just a little bit bigger. But yeah, so I'm doing that. Everything takes too dang long to grow. And then this guy here, I still have. It's actually called Liquid Ass. So, I'm not really swearing because that's the name of the bottle. My God, it smells horrible. Oh. Every time I smell it, I'm like, oh man, that's so gross. Oh, it's the worst thing I've smelled. Oh, I think even sitting in the bathroom with like 20 plus people sitting there before me, it smells that bad. Oh, so I was thinking, okay, if I raise this up to a right amount of height and stuff, I could hit record on here through my bathroom, and then I could shave. Because I'm thinking about shaving this off again. Maybe I'll shave this off. I don't know for sure. Because I've been thinking about it lately. I could shave all this off and shave this off and just walk into work like, hello. Probably creep out people. Like this though. I always play with this. All the time. This year I don't play with very much. Because it's like baby hair. So, yeah. Created my own new ringtone on my phone, so that's always a plus. Was home alone today, which was a plus, but I get bored sometimes when I'm home alone. I have nothing to do, but, oh well. I always try to find something to do. Oh, if you ever see me scratching behind here, about 11th grade, I made myself break out with a heat rash. Not a heat rash. Shingles. Because I had to go into surgery. So, shingles stay there even after they're gone. And I've been itching at here every once in a while. But they can always come back again. I used to make myself break out before surgery, so, yeah. But, that's just how I do it. I don't know, that sword right there, actually, right there, always shows up in my video. And I don't mind. I'm always recording in one spot. But that's just how I do it. But I like watching Minecraft videos. I also watched The Kid Behind the Camera, even though I haven't been watching most of his stuff because, well, he's a kid. I do like Bridget, though. I like how she pranks him. That's the best. With the stun gun or taser. Man, he is a huge baby. See, I'm not like scared of that stuff. I'm like, give it a shot. I'll give it a shot once or twice. Shoot. If it doesn't kill me, it makes me stronger. Oh, man. Ooh, I got a jar. So, originally, this was like an aspirin jar type deal for medicine. And my mom's like, why'd you put something in there like that? And I'm like, I don't know, I got bored. So she wrote on it, BBs. She labeled this bottle BBs. And it actually is BBs. So, see, BBs. So, but I also got like other BBs and other stuff. I got like a whole thing full of BBs. So, yeah. I don't know. I also found out that it's hard to find my videos on Facebook because it's like you only can scroll through some other things. Like, I was looking for, when I'm saying the bus, for example, I sit on the bus and think, you know, I got like 10, 15 people behind me. I don't want any trouble. So I open my phone, click on video, show off my room, my sweet things, and never get commented on it, but I feel a little bit safer in the bus because I'm like, I got a knife there, I got a knife there, I got one there, one there, one there, one there, one there. So I'm all like joyful, happy. But so yeah, that's what I usually do. So tried to sell stuff online about 5-6 months ago. It didn't go so well. No one wants to buy any of my shirts, so oh well. What else? So yeah. Figured I'd do this for a few minutes. Still have my bracelet. Best time of my life. So you don't know very many people can do that, huh? So, love that one. That was awesome. So yeah. So shirts that you will never see me ever wear. And there's reasons behind why I won't wear these. So I got a shirt here, my favorite, one of my favorites. This says the label that runs beneath the shirt, sorry, I forget the names of stuff sometimes. The label that runs beneath the streets. The reason why I won't wear this is because I got signed by Twisted right there and right there. And I'm planning on getting signed by all of them. So this is one of the shirts that I will never be wearing again. Ever. The next one is this shirt. The reason why is because I'll rather keep this one in mint condition because this is a gathering of the Juggalos, which I was there, which was pretty awesome. So there. So I keep that in mint condition. Next shirt that I will never be wearing. This shirt, you're not going to find it on eBay. You're not going to find it on Amazon. You're not going to find it sold online for sure. Because this shirt was the last one ever. And it was, oh, there. Oops. It was the last one. And it has a sticker on the back of it. Because it was pulled off. And it was signed by DJ Clay. Right there. Signed signature. Skeleton shirt. Don't even know what the back says. And it will never be worn. Not by me. Ever. The next thing is I've got shirts for days. Got a red shirt. And this guy, his name was Fat Boy. I still know him. I see him at concerts and stuff. I'm nice to him. He's nice to me. Signed by his crew. So, show you a signature right there. Or somewhere right in there. Wait, gotta find it. Got to find it. Oh yeah, right there. Fat Boy. Signed. Signed shirt. Never be wearing that again. Ever. I try to go for lighter colors, but they're easier to sign on. Next one. I went to the gathering. Came across this guy. He signed it too. Right here. Signed by the person. Can't wear that shirt either. Alright, next shirt. This concert, ICP got busted, and they had to stop the tour for a year or whatever, but I got Mikey Clark first. Then I met ICP, and I got this one signed. So, the blue right here is Mikey Clark, not Mikey Clark. Yeah, Mikey Clark signed it right here. ICP signed it right here. And right over here off to the side, right here. So signed by both of them. I sort of wish that they signed it like one here and one up here. My dad's home, so I'm closing the door. So signed by two of all three of them. So that one's signed. I can't ever wear that one. Next one. Last one.
Yeah, that's true.
So I got signed. This is right here.
Good.
A little offensive shirt, but show it to you anyways. Got it signed by ABK, which I've met him a couple times. So can't wear that shirt ever again either. Too many shirts I can't wear. This shirt's not ICP, but it's what's that movie called? Thunder Buddies. I'm pretty sure you know which one it is.
You know, and you can work stuff.
So that's all I wanted to share with you guys. Thank you for watching, and tell me what you think. Bye.